Hey everyone, welcome to the Financial Information Channel. In this video, I'm going to give you the information about 3 job opportunities where you can work at your house. This is so you can earn an additional income, and in addition, this is not a traditional 9 to 5 hour job. Now, I am going to leave the links in the video description and in the comment section where you can go to that website and get additional information. Now let me show you in the computer the first job, and that's gonna be called AI, and this is basically so you can create captions on videos. Now this is a very flexible job where you can work at any point, and in addition they pay anywhere between $27 to $42 per hour. Now the reason why captions are important, because if you plan to do YouTube later on, doing caption is going to improve your reach on your videos. So you're getting the experience on doing captions, and at the same time you're going to get paid. And this is the website where you're going to be able to apply. And if you click on the apply now, it's going to take you to the application where you're going to be able to fill out the information about yourself and start applying for the job. I will take a look at this website. If you plan to do YouTube later on, doing captions is going to improve your reach on your videos. So having this experience when you're working on this website is going to help you in the future. Now let's go to the number 2, and that is going to be Kraken. That is related to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Now let's go to the website so you can get an idea what you're going to be doing. And as you can see, this is going to be the customer support specialist. And basically what you're going to be doing in this website is to communicate with customers. Now you can see in the screen, it says on a daily basis you will respond anywhere between 20 to 150 client requests by email regarding trading, explaining margin, answering questions, and about order execution. This is a good opportunity because you will get that knowledge about how the crypto moves without being investing. And in addition, you will get some knowledge about the overall investing strategies. And I will do a video in the future comparing the stock market with cryptocurrencies. And now let's go to the number 3 option. Now this option is very attractive. However, it is only available in Illinois and Indiana. And let's go to the website. And this is located in the legacy.com website. This is a content screener. Basically, I am going to read what is going to be your main duty on this type of position. As you can see, the primary task of this position is to read messages before they are posted online. And the position starts at $13 per hour, which is really nice when you consider you don't have to leave your house. So this job has available shifts, and as you can see, these are all central time because, like I mentioned earlier, this is only for the Illinois and Indiana residents. So as you saw, these are the 3 types of jobs where you can work from your house, and that's actually to create an additional income. I am going to continue posting these type of videos more often with different type of jobs. And in addition, I'm going to create videos on how you can start your YouTube channel and how you can make money on YouTube. I am going to cover topics on YouTube related to SEO, thumbnails, and many other things. And that is gonna be everything for the video. Please leave a like if you found this video helpful, and share it with a friend or a family member in case they are looking for any type of job. Let's try to help people that might need it. And remember, I'm going to continue making videos about the stock market, personal finance, and how to make money online. I'm gonna thank you once again for watching the video. Have an excellent day and take care, my friends.